Uhotani wa UMUTHI uma wa mbere wa nyabara mweru wa kirabu kia Bandari John Baraza urioroire matamuma unyabara wa kirabu giki kiumia-ini giki thutha wa kirabu giki kwaga kwambĩrĩria wega kimera kia mwaka uyu. Murang'a mahotirwo ngucanio ya keri kimera-ini giki thutha wa kuhotwo ngucanio-ini ya mbere ni kirabu kia Ulinzi na kuhota APS Bomet kiumia kihituku. Mutho wa RUCIU Gor Mahia magakorwo magitha uhotani wa wakere kirumaniririo riria makanyitwo gani ni kirabu gia KCB kiria gukinyaniria na riu kimathite pointi 6 thutha wa guthaka ngucanio 3 pointi 3 mbere ya kirabu gia Kogalo.
So far so good. The preparation is okay. I think we are training well for the upcoming match, and I believe we'll put our best so that we can win the match.
We are very fortunate that we won our last match. The first match was a lose, and so we realized that we lack attacking options in the final third, and we've been working on it since even our second match, and we want to improve in that area. We want to be able to have a clear cut when we are attacking, especially in the final third.
Taska magakorwo mihango-ini ya gwetha uhotani wa mbere kimera-ini giki riria makanyitwo gani kirabu gia Shabana kiharo-ini gia Kasarani kwambĩrĩria thaa 10 cia hwaĩ-ini.
So motivation ya vijana iko juu kulingana na game tulicheza last. Vijana at least kiangalia hizo game mbili tulikuwa tumefungwa, lakini saa hii hiyo point moja tulipata imetupatia motivation kidogo. Kiangalia kwa game ya kesho vijana wamesema lazima tutachukua hizo points 3.
Taska thutha wa ngucanio 3 mahotetwo ngucanio 2 guku makima kabati ngucanio 1 guku nakio kirabu gia Shabana gikihota ngucanio 2 na iria mathakite gukinyaniria na riu.
I believe Shabana FC is a good side. They have good numbers pushing them off the pitch. Again, this is football. The past results cannot judge the upcoming results. So for us, we believe we have prepared well for this season. The boys are very positive, and we are building something. We respect them as a good side. They have had a good run in the first 2 matches. So for me, I believe that we have prepared well to face them.
Ngucanio-ini ingĩ rũciũ kirabu gia Kenya Police makanyitwo gani ni kirabu kia APS Bomet kiharo-ini kia Green Stadium Awendo. Bandari United macemania na Kariobangi Sharks guku nakio kirabu kia Ulinzi Stars makanyitwo gani kirabu kia Mara Sugar. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.